Hey man, my first whip, I swear I want my first whip to be just like this, man. I'm still in love with this song, dog.
I'm going in like it's my very first time with a virgin. I be up so far inside her, she be thinking I'm a surgeon. Who these queers think they hurting? I am so hater allergic. You would think that I'm a Mexican by the way I be looking. I am constantly getting it, cautious of who I'm around. All they do is tell stories, I'm knocking they towers down. I really get empowered, the noise you make just ain't louder. I'm showering on these cowards, they swaggers nothing on ours. I'm shot towns only, nigga. Don't ever come around here like Smokey, nigga. Cause where I'm from is no remarks or apologies. They put the gun to your brain and call it technology. Now who you know with more dates than the calendar? Cake like a manager. If she on my list, I'm hunting for her like a scavenger. I know I'm the craziest, and I see money in every direction. I'm a radius. They say friends are like fall, cause all they do is leave. That's why I don't mess with snakes. Adam and Eve got more flows than 14 apartments. Let's follow your Viagra, I'll still be the hardest.